Goody goody. Someone who tries too hard to please people in authority, like teachers or parents, by being overly obedient or well-behaved.
She's such a goody-goody in class. He acts like a goody-goody to impress the teacher.
Wishy-washy. Weak, unclear, or lacking strong opinion or action.
His answer was too wishy-washy. Stop being so wishy-washy. Just make a decision.
Chit-chat. Small talk.
We had some quick chit-chat over coffee. We had some quick chit-chat before the meeting.
Easy peasy. Very easy.
That exam was easy peasy. I finished the puzzle. It was easy peasy.
Dilly-dally. To waste time by being slow or indecisive, to delay doing something.
Stop dilly-dallying and get to work. Don't dilly-dally, we'll miss the bus.
Teeny tiny. Very small.
Look at that teeny tiny puppy. I gave him a teeny tiny piece of cake.
Lovey-dovey. Very romantic or affectionate, in a way that seems excessive or too sweet.
They're always so lovey-dovey in public. They were acting all lovey-dovey at the cafe.
Teeny-weeny. Very tiny or small, often cute-sounding.
Look at that teeny-weeny kitten. I want just a teeny-weeny bite of cake.
Heebie-jeebies. A feeling of fear, nervousness, or discomfort.
Spiders give me the heebie-jeebies. That old house gives me the heebie-jeebies.
Hanky-panky. unacceptable, dishonest, or inappropriate behavior, often involving flirting, cheating, or money.
No hanky-panky is allowed in class. The company fired him for a little financial hanky-panky.
Super duper. Very good, great, or excellent.
That was a super-duper idea. That cake was super-duper yummy.
Pitter-patter. Light tapping sound, like rain or feet.
I love the pitter-patter of rain on the roof. The pitter-patter of little feet fills the hallway.
Mumbo-jumbo. Confusing or meaningless talk that doesn't make sense.
Stop with the mumbo-jumbo and speak clearly. The instructions were full of tech mumbo-jumbo.
Itsy-bitsy. Very small.
That dog is so itsy-bitsy and cute. I saw an itsy-bitsy spider on the wall.
Hush, hush. Highly secret or confidential.
The meeting was kept hush-hush. It's a hush-hush project. No one's supposed to know yet.